Before you spend money on web hosting, you need to see this deal first, because it could save you a lot more than you think. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on hosting plans, and if you click the special link in the description, you'll also get an extra 20% discount automatically applied to your billing. Yes, automatically. No need to search for coupon codes, copy anything, or test random discounts online. Just click the link in the description and the maximum savings are activated instantly. Now imagine this. Instead of paying full price for hosting, you get premium hosting for a fraction of the cost, and you still get all the important features needed to launch your website. But wait, it gets even better. When you claim this deal, you also get free extra months added to your hosting plan. So you're not just saving money, you're actually getting more hosting time for free. You'll also receive free SSL, which helps secure your website and build trust with visitors. And on eligible plans, you also get a free domain name included, saving you even more money when starting your website. Now, if you're worried about taking a risk, don't be. Hostinger comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means if you're not happy, you can simply request a refund. So basically, you can try everything with almost zero risk. Now let's talk about who this is perfect for. If you want to start a blog, create a business website, launch an online store, build a portfolio, or even create a WordPress website, this deal can help you start for the lowest possible cost. And if you're a beginner, this gets even better. Hostinger is known for being beginner-friendly, fast, and super easy to use. You don't need technical skills to get started. Even if this is your first website ever, you can have everything running in just a few minutes. That's one reason millions of people trust Hostinger for their websites.